Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I think this is day 10. This is actually day 11, but I'm going to make it as day 10 because it's really going to be a short video, so I can easily edit and upload for tomorrow because day 10 video is going up today. No, day 9 video is going up today. Sorry, Jesus. I'm just applying sunscreen. This is Uni Plus Paris sunscreen. So usually I just apply it and then I allow it to, sink in. So dry on its own. How you guys doing? Happy new month. Today is the 1st of July. I actually didn't want to do anything today because I already have a video that can go up as the 11. Is it the 11, the 10? I'm confused now. Yeah. So I'm like, okay, I have some few things here and there I'm doing today. Yes, number one, work. Number two, I have an order. I sell Aya sanitary pads in Abuja and Lagos. We deliver nationwide anyway, Shabo. If you're in Lagos, you can easily get it that same day. Well, by the grace of God, because of Lagos traffic, in Abuja, you can always get it that same day as far as you order from, morning till like 5. Yeah, like 8 to 5. Yeah, you will get it that same day. If you order within 8 to 5, yeah, you get it that same day. So yeah, that's just it. How you guys doing? Happy new month. We thank God for the new month. Thank God for the month of July. We pray that God's blessings will never depart from us and He will have mercy on us and give us peace, joy, and happiness this month. Amen. All right. So yeah, June was just June. June started off well. Well, I ended June with a grateful heart. I can't even lie, but like, sometimes, things just happen and the devil will want to try you and just make you so sad and make you forget about the good things that God has done for you. I want you to just forget about, how you're thriving and even how you've suffered and, you've become better and you're in a much, much better space. The devil will want you to forget, the good times and just want to replace that good times or your happiness or your joy with sadness. But anyway, we still have joy in chaos because in life, problems will always come, but we always pray that we'll be able to overcome these problems. That's always like, wow, kind of thunder sound. The thunder sound. Hence why I'm wearing a hoodie at home because me on a normal day I would not. Abuja has been really cold. The weather has been cold. It's been raining, not really raining like that. It rains at night, but during the day it's like quite sunny or just gloomy and chilled. The weather, that's what weather I really like. I think it's the first time I'm really enjoying the raining season. I'm not a rainy season person. I hate rainy season. I can't even lie. Nothing attracts me to rainy season. I'm not attracted to rainy season at all. I love dry season. I mean dry season, Harmattan. I love Harmattan a lot. So I did something to my room. I changed the position of some things in my room. My wardrobe used to be behind me. I moved it to the other side. My bed is actually the biggest furniture in this room. I can't even shout. I can't do anything about it because I asked for that bed like how many years ago? Maybe 7 or 6 years ago. I wanted a big bed, but I didn't know it would be as big as this. But I think my former bed was the size of this. Just they added a few inches to this one that made it more bogus and wide. So yeah. On the other hand, I can't wait for Big Brother Nigeria to start. I think this is the weather and the season for Big Brother Nigeria. I don't know if it's just me, but July, yeah, rainy season, when you're just at home, so just be playing in the background and you'll be doing your work and job, just be going about your day and it's just there in the background playing. So yeah, That's just it. Anyway, the reunion has been on, but guys, I kid you not, I have not watched one episode of the reunion. That's how I'll be bragging about people, that when the show starts, I'm gonna watch. I'll end up hearing gist online or watching on YouTube or on Showmax or something, but sit down and watch. Maybe when they're doing the eviction or the first day of the show, when they bring them into the house, I'll happily watch, so I can just keep up and know their faces and their names and blah blah blah. Anyway, this month is gonna be good. Today is a good day. I have loads and loads of meetings today. I have some reviews to do, and I want to order for some skincare products. Yeah, I want to restock my skincare products. The niacinamide. Oh guys, let me show you something. I went to what do they call this place, Miniso, the other day, and I got this rack. So this is where I arranged all my skincare products that I use every day. Oh, I was looking for this thing this morning, I didn't see it. My deodorant. So like, what do we have here? This is shaving cream. I got this from one shaving cream pack like that. Then my hand cream. This is Roberto Cavalli body milk crema couple. It's a hand cream. It was given to me in a bridesmaid package. Then confetti, my deodorant, roll-on deodorant spray. This is my face cream. Yeah, this is my sunscreen. The bottle is so funny, but it is so effective. Tretinoin. I'm not throwing this away, I'm still using it. This is my, what's it called now? Kojic acid. I'll say my Xeron toner, my salicylic acid. Then I love this cream a lot. It's still really small, I don't want to let it go. This is Japanese cherry blossom, and then my body cream that I've not started using because I still have the orange one remaining and the yellow one remaining. So yeah, this is super cute. Like, it just gives this place a better look. And I put my wristwatch here. Any other thing that can fit. But I'm putting my wristwatches. All my wristwatches are here for now. This is my rainy body cream. Anyway, so yeah, I have like 3 other wristwatches I want to fix. Oh yeah, cutting pad supposed to be here. So guys, I really changed my room. Like, I really gave my room a new look. I always do that when I'm in a rut. I just try to change the things in my environment. I clean my bathroom, clean my room. The only thing I've not done to this room now is to mop. I'm going to mop like later this week and then change my bed sheets here. That will give me that vibe again. Like, oh, I'm doing something new to my room since I cannot change my environment. Then what else? Yeah, I think that's just it. So I need to restock my face wash. That face wash is so good. And then my niacinamide. Did I ever show you guys niacinamide? Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, so that's really helped with my acne. And what's the time now? You see, I like wearing my wristwatch at home. 9:44. So I think the customer has sent details of her order. The weather has changed now. I just pray that rain will not disturb me because I have to go out to give the dispatch rider. Yeah, I need spray perfume today. Let's try Kali or Kaylee. Okay, let's go back to work. I just wanted to introduce the vlog and say hi and bye to you guys. Yeah. I'll transfer to you now. Thank you. No, you didn't break. It's okay. How much? Hey guys. Woo! It's close of business. This is 6:06. I just made pancakes to eat. This is my first meal for today. Looks so yummy. And yeah, I got a package from what's it called? Zaron. Not like Zaron. As I was saying, it's not that Zaron sent me a package. I ordered something from their store in Abuja. So yep. But in particular, Zaron is from this particular store. It's not a paid ad though, but yeah. So I've been enjoying their niacinamide and the acne. Ouch. Yeah, the acne control glow face wash. This is what it looks like. Super good. The one I have remaining is like here, and I don't want to wait because if I procrastinate, I might not be using that money for something else more important. So this is niacinamide. This is what it looks like. And yeah, what's there? The receipt. Debit. So I want to pack this order for this customer. Unfortunately, I don't have these big bags. This year has taught me that I need to invest in bags like this. This is for me. So I've been getting large orders. Like, people are buying this iPad very well. So like, if you're a girl and you've not purchased iPad from what are you waiting for? I'm in Abuja, I'm in Lagos. I deliver nationwide. So if you want one, if you want to just try it out, you should. There's a time when I wasn't selling this pad that I would go and buy source for the pads and then give to my friends just like that. Even when I started selling, I would give to my friends just to try. So I have like few of them come back to still buy from me, and yeah, that's nice. Anyway, let me taste my pancake now. I gave my dad some to eat. I put honey. Who has watched that Temi Otidola's movie on Prime? His name is Kanye or something. I've been trying to subscribe to my Prime Video account, so I've just been so reluctant. Not reluctant, I don't even know. Something will always come up whenever I want to try. So this is the pink aya. This is the pink aya. This is the large one. 7 pads inside this pack. And I've been seeing things like, oh, aya pads have expired, blah blah blah. They're selling expired aya pads. Please, no guys. 2024 20 February when it was manufactured. So it's expiring 2027 February 1st. So yeah.
Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You a real ass woman and I lied. Yep. I need you inspired, I need you excited. I don't wanna fight. Yeah.
Or should I just double triple it again instead of using a big bag? That's gonna happen.
I'm following your lead. I see what you need. You say guaranteed.
It's okay now. Alright guys.
I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me. Told ya I got keys for these other girls sleeping. Oh no, girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive.